Alpha, crypto PG analyst. I just come out for one crypto meeting and e get some kind words and slogans wey dey use for that meeting. Me, I no understand wetin dey talk o. Abeg help me na shed more light on some of these things and their meaning.
How far my people? How una dey? You know wetin dis channel dey for now. We no need to dey talk much. My guy ask me, he talk say him dey hear some kind slogan and some kind words wey yes normal. You know say e get some kind society wey you go join wey be say dem go dey use some kind words, slogan, shey you get, wey be say na only that society wey you join dem go understand. The same way e dey for crypto too. E get some kind short words wey we dey use. Once dem don talk that short words, we don understand wetin e mean for crypto. So today I go dey explain some kind short words for una, shey you get. So whenever you hear am or person talk am by your side, you don know wetin this person mean. So today I go start with some kind slogan wey be say e dey useful and people dey use am wella for crypto. So some example na FA. If you hear FA means fundamental analysis. This fundamental analysis, person fit like now, person fit tell you about one coin and dem fit tell you say guy go do the FA o. The FA means go do the fundamental analysis, go check wetin the project dey about, wetin the project mean. So e get another one again wey we dey call TA, technical analysis. This technical analysis na like Bitcoin now, like dem fit talk say make you go check the price of Bitcoin, wetin Bitcoin dey today. That one na technical analysis. Na like this one now, see am, this candlestick, you go like how you go take read the candlestick, na we dey call technical analysis. So e get something wey we dey call ATH also, all time high. It means the highest price wey that coin go last time. Like make I use Bitcoin as example now. Bitcoin, the last all time high of Bitcoin na 69,000 USD. And shey you understand, 69,000. E get another one wey we dey use again, ATL. That one means all time low. That all time low means the lowest price wey that coin don drop to, na im be all time low. So e get one wey we dey use again, ALT or alter coin. It means alternative coin or alternative cryptocurrency. Any other coin wey im name no be Bitcoin, na im we dey call alter coin. Shey you understand? Na im we dey call alternative coin or alternative cryptocurrency. So like that, first this one wey I first talk, first master am, learn am, I still dey bring more for una, shey you get. So e still many, but I dey give na small, shey you get my point. So e no pass like that. Thank you.